Hey guys, just want to give you guys a quick little intro to some substrate additives that we typically use in a planted tank. So we got these three items here. These are sort of like the three main additives that people use in a nature aquarium. They are optional, but they do a pretty big difference in terms of keeping your tank well balanced, and especially for us, since a lot of our tanks are for public display and we have a lot of walking customers, we like to keep everything well balanced. So the first one is going to be the Bacter 100. This one's pretty much a mixture of about 100 different strains of kosher bacteria. These guys do keep the soil bed well balanced, and they help break down a lot of the organic matter. The next one that we typically pour in is going to be the Clear Super. So this one kind of helps out keeping the bacteria growing. It kind of rapidly helps them reproduce. And the next one that we typically use is going to be the Tourmaline BC. So this one right here helps the bacteria propagate themselves, and at the same time it kind of helps the root structures and the roots grow a little better. These three additives are optional. You guys don't have to put them in your tank every time, but we do highly recommend it because, you know, having a balanced tank is a lot better. So usually you add these guys right before you add the soil. So you put about a few scoops or more depending on the size of your tank. If you're working with a nano tank, you'll probably be okay with like 2 or 3 scoops. And like the bigger tanks, like the the 100 gallons and above, we usually use a pretty big portion of what's in here. So typically what goes after the additives is going to be the power sand. So this is kind of a really fine porous material that kind of helps everything in these containers sort of colonize. So it helps the bacteria kind of colonize right below the soil. And after you add this stuff, you're going to add a bit of the substrate such as tropical river soil, or you guys could do one of these guys here, the ADA aqua soils, or you can do contra soil as well. So it really depends on like the type of substrate that you typically use. But yeah, we'll do a demonstration a little later. Once we get a new tank set up, I'll show you guys how much we add. So yeah, we'll be posting more videos soon, guys. So thank you for viewing and stay tuned.